Hello, and we hope you enjoy this tutorial so we can show you how I was created.
Alright, let's get started. Let's open Canva and create a new Instagram post. But you can also create a presentation or any other document where the talking avatar will be. We are using the free version of Canva in this tutorial, and don't forget your free 64 Canva shortcuts in the description below. Let's rename the Instagram post. For this example, we're going to call it Avatar on the upper right hand corner. We can now change the background of the post if we like to, add some text and elements before we actually insert the avatar. We are now ready to insert a frame and place the avatar inside of it. By using a frame, we can move it around and resize it later on. To insert our avatar, click on the Apps section on the far left. Search for DID Presenters or scroll down until you see the avatar picture. The new menu opens on the left side. Click the Use DID AI Presenters button in the lower section. If this is the first time using the avatar, press the Connect button to get started. In the new screen, you will need to create a new and free account. You can use your social logins on the top or sign up using an email and password by clicking this link. Once you complete this information, read the privacy policy, terms and conditions, check the box to confirm that you have read them, and then click Sign Up. If you already have an account from before, you can skip this step and sign in right here. Since this is our first time using the avatar, let's click the Sign Up button. Now we can choose our presenters starting from the top, including a new upload. We will choose one of the options from our list. I am selecting my very first choice on the top. And now let's write what to say. In this area, we already typed, "Thank you for joining us in this tutorial." Note that you can add up to 500 words in your script, and you can expand this field if needed. Now let's choose a language. Let's select English, and you can see that almost any country is in this list. You can scroll down using this bar to the right. Let's hear the different voices available. But before we do that, let's try some styles here at the bottom. Let's try Jenny's voice with a friendly tone.
Thank you for joining us in this tutorial.
After trying multiple voices, we are going with Sarah in a friendly tone.
Thank you for joining us in this tutorial.
Once we decide, let's generate presenter for 1 credit. If you change your mind or change the script after the fact, then you will need to recreate this and use another credit. In the free version, you have 20 credits only, but you can subscribe for more. We now see our avatar, and you can move it around until it fits in the frame. Let's check our final product. We used another credit and added a few more words so you can see it better. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think?
Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
To finish, we need to share and download here on the upper right hand corner. We will use the MP4 format to download it. Let me know in the comments if you want to try it now. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.